What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Matiko, and today I'm gonna teach you how to prepare a healthy salad. So we're gonna start. It's a lettuce, tomato, egg salad. So we're gonna start right now because my lettuce are ready. They're here, so washed, clean. Just I prepared them prior. So these are my lettuce. It's a very quick video, so we're gonna do it not more than 10 minutes. Okay, so my lettuce, this is my cucumber. I'm gonna cut it into small pieces. All right, it's a very quick video, so it's a very healthy salad for dinner. So my cucumber, very easy to prepare, quick, you know. So I've added my lettuce. Is a half of a medium-sized lettuce. This is my tomato. This is one combination. This is one tomato, so I just cut it into a half. This is a full tomato, and this is a cherry tomato. So I'm cutting this tomato into small pieces, but not very small. Edible, I can say. So adding them to my lettuce. Right, that's very quick, just like that. And please consider subscribing to my channel. This is a channel that gives you a lot of amazing content, because I do videos on street. I teach how to cook. I give recipes or healthy dishes. So for example, I give recipes on how to prepare anemia smoothie that prevents anemia. So just go check it this YouTube channel. My name is Chef Matiko, and I gave also a recipe how to fight cancer. So I give different type of content. These are my tomatoes. Well, I've already cut them. So right, of course you have to make sure that your chopping board is clean. Right, one time use this side. Of course, very easy to make this salad. So this already my tomato, cucumber, and of course lettuce, clean and fresh. And these are my eggs. Boil 2 eggs, cut them into pieces just like this. Right, like this. Sorry, it's a very quick recipe. Nobody can know. It's a very quick recipe for dinner. Right, you can eat for dinner. If you love salads, you can eat for lunch, like you want. And of course, these are maize. Sorry, right, just added them there. I thought not so much. I'm adding half of it. Right, so the very important part, these are my sultanas. Take the sultanas, just add there. Very simple salad to make. Right, olive oil. Right, adding my olive oil just right there. It will not be too much. You can see it's a very healthy salad to make. I'm done with this with everything, so I'm gonna keep them aside for us to get a big space here. Right. Okay, so this is my salad, but it's not complete without vinegar. So if you're just joining, thank you for stopping by, and please consider subscribing to my channel. My name is Chef Matiko. Subscribing to my channel, that is one way of supporting me. So I'm adding this amazing vinegar. They call it vinaigrette. So just there, just a little bit, and it's done. All right. So remember, I've added lettuce. The lettuce was the first, is the main ingredient here. I added cucumber, and I cut tomato into small pieces, then added it in there. Then also I added 2 eggs. Remember, if you boil your eggs, then I added the maize, the corn. Remember, I used maize. This is written in Spanish, but anyway, it's just corn. It's maize. Right. So then I added sultanas as our last ingredient, and apart from that, then I added olive oil, and lastly I finished with vinegar. All right. So this is amazing smoothie. It's helped you to have weight. It's helped you weight. You know. So it's healthy, delicious, and very nice, edible. All right. So we are going to mix. But before we continue, please like the video, please support this video, subscribe if you haven't. So I'm going to mix, just gently mix the ingredients together. Right. I think this is too small. This is too small for this. I want to take a very big one, like a bowl. Oh my God. Big one, but anyway, let's try to mix in the ingredients together. All right, going to mix the ingredients together. So just a minute, we can mix the ingredients together. Take this bowl. Take this bowl here so that it can help us mix the ingredients. Right. Okay, this is big enough. Wow. It's big enough. So you mix the ingredients together, everything, so that become delicious and easy. You can add black pepper and salt. But in my case, I don't like black pepper. All right. So I don't like black pepper. What I'll just add is a little bit of salt. Just a little bit for taste, okay? Right there.